Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Asma's kitchen. I am Asma. Today I have a really delicious recipe that is often eaten by itself or as an accompaniment to another dish. Is egg fried rice. It is a popular component of East Asian, Southeast Asian and certain South Asian cuisines. Give it a try and let me know your feedback, and watch this video till the end for recipe card. Right, let's get started with the recipe of egg fried rice. Black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, chicken powder 1 teaspoon, soya sauce 3 tablespoons, oyster sauce 2 tablespoons, yellow food color a pinch, salt 2 tablespoons, egg 5, green chilies 5, carrots 2, capsicum 2, spring onion 6, rice 750 gram or 3 cup cleaned and soaked. Take 4 liter water in a pan and add 2 tablespoons of salt and bring it to boil. Now water is boiling. First drain rice and add it into boiling water. And let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. It's done now. So I'm gonna drain it into colander. After this, I will cut veggies. Firstly, I am cutting spring onions into small pieces and I only require its green part. It's done. Now take capsicum, remove its cap, then remove its seeds. And then cut it into small square shape. It's done. Now carrots. Carrots also needed into small square shape for this recipe. It's done. And green chilies. First remove its cap and bottom part. Then simply chop it. It's done. Now in a pan add 5 to 6 tablespoons oil and heat it up. Then add carrots and stir fry it until it get bit tender. Then add capsicum, spring onion, green chilies, and stir fry it again. Now take out fried vegetables into a platter After this step, take all 5 eggs in a bowl. Then add a pinch of yellow food color and whisk it. It is well whisked, and I am putting whisked eggs into same pan in which I stir fried vegetables. And I knead it in a scrambled form. Now add all stir-fried vegetables and mix it. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. Mix it really well. And in last, add all the boiled rice. And mix it really well. It is well mixed, so I'm gonna dish it out. And I'm garnishing it with spring onion and carrot. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to share this recipe with others, and don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media, link in description. Give thumbs up if you like this recipe, leave comment below, and subscribe Asma's Kitchen for more delicious and easy recipes. And don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will be notified when I will upload a new video. I shall see you soon with another exotic recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.